Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app and granting two crucial permissions, accessibility and overlay. Once done, open GS Auto Clicker and choose a profile type. This sets how the taps run. You should pick single or multi-point now because that affects later setup. Make sure to set a realistic interval in milliseconds and a repeat count or loop mode. This prevents runaway clicks. Finally, test one short run to confirm the app responds on your device. Next, you build the actual tap sequence. Start placing points on the preview UI and reorder them if the action needs a specific flow, because order controls the script. Then set interval and duration in milliseconds. These values determine speed and reliability. Use repeat count for finite tasks or the loop toggle for continuous runs. Save the profile with a clear name so you can reuse it. If touch precision matters, enable vibration feedback to verify each tap during tests. To finish, run a short test sequence and watch for missed or mistimed actions. Adjust intervals and durations. Small increments work best. Once satisfied, lock orientation and disable aggressive battery optimization so the service persists. Make sure the profile is saved and assign a shortcut if you want quick starts. If something goes wrong, check accessibility and overlay permissions first, then reinstall or try a different profile. One key tip: testing for 10-20 seconds avoids long.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.